Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search up for this website. You just need to type in AI watermark remover, and I recommend you to choose this website. You can use this website for free to remove the watermark from your video. And then I'm just going to click on try it online. Okay, and we have to upload our video right here. I'm just going to click on upload here, and I'm going to I have to sign in guys. Wait, I'm going to sign in with my Google account. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and now I have signed into this website, and I'm going to click on upload here, and I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to remove watermark video. Okay, and then I'm going to draw on the watermark I'm going to remove from my video. Okay, like that, and then click on remove object now. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now the watermark has been removed from my video, and if you want to download the video, you just need to click on download and the video will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.